Hi everybody, my name is Annalisa Pompeo. I'm a Sicilian chef and I do Sicilian cooking classes. Today I want to show you something that I selected for you. Not only a food box, but a cooking box. I selected the best from my producers that live here in Sicily to give you an unforgettable experience. And I'm wrapping everything in this Sicilian kitchen towel. We call this a mappina, but when we wrap something in a mappina, we say that we create a truscia. So you will find in this box a meal that I created just for you, and you will cook from scratch some of the plates that are inside. This is how the box works. I created a meal for you, and you can make from scratch some recipes inside these menus, following me, reading the recipe that I already wrote, or putting a scan on the QR code that you will find in the box, and magically I will appear in your kitchen to guide you step by step. Are you ready to spend some time with me cooking from your own kitchen? Choose your box on my website. Book now your food cooking box and let's spend together some time in your kitchen with authentic Sicilian food and recipes. I'm already wrapping all the food, minimum for 4 people Sicilian dose, and we will enjoy this authentic experience. Ciao belli!